Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, David. Hi, friends.
Olivia, you look tired today. What's wrong?
David, the traffic. My bus was so slow. I'm so tired of it.
Traffic. That's perfect, Olivia. That's our topic today, city traffic.
Really? Oh, great. But I don't know many English words for traffic.
Don't worry. Today, we will learn all the important words about city traffic.
Perfect. I need this.
City traffic is a big problem in many places. It wastes time and it's stressful.
Yes. Every morning it's so difficult to go to work because of traffic.
I understand. But before we start, dear friends, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It helps us so much.
And like this video. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, David, teach me everything about traffic.
Let's start from the beginning. Okay, Olivia, let's start simply. We say traffic in English too.
Traffic. Easy.
Good. Now, when there are many cars and it moves slowly, we say heavy traffic.
Heavy traffic. Yes, this morning was heavy traffic.
Exactly. And when cars stop completely, that's a traffic jam.
Traffic jam. I know this feeling.
We all do. Now, when you are in a traffic jam, you are stuck in traffic.
Stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic for an hour today.
1 hour? That's terrible. And when cars are moving, but very slowly, we say they move slowly.
Move slowly. Yes, my bus moved slowly this morning.
I see. And we also say wait in traffic when you're not moving at all.
Wait in traffic. I hate waiting in traffic.
Me too. Now, let's learn some words about roads. We drive on a road or a street.
Road, street. What's the difference?
A street is usually in a city with buildings and houses. A road can be anywhere.
Oh, street in the city, road anywhere.
Exactly. And a big road between cities is a highway.
Highway. I drive on the street. The highway is for fast driving.
Perfect. Now, what do we see at every corner in the city?
Traffic lights.
Yes, traffic lights. Red, yellow, green.
Traffic lights. Stop, wait, go.
Exactly. Now let's practice. Imagine you're going to work and traffic is very slow. What do you say?
Oh no, there is heavy traffic.
Good. And you can't move?
I am stuck in traffic.
Perfect. You're learning fast.
David, driving in traffic is difficult. Are there other options?
Yes, many people use public transport, like a bus or a subway.
Public transport. Bus, subway, train.
Exactly. You wait for the bus at the bus stop.
Bus stop. I waited at the bus stop for a long time today.
That's frustrating. And you wait for the subway at the subway station.
Subway station. We have a big subway station in my city.
Great. Now, there are other ways to travel too. If it's close, you can walk.
Walk. Yes, walking is good exercise.
Absolutely. Or you can ride a bicycle.
Ride a bicycle. I see many people on bicycles in my city.
Good. And these days, many people use a scooter.
Scooter. Walk, bicycle, scooter. These are good for health.
And they help reduce traffic. Now, Olivia, when is traffic the worst?
In the morning and evening.
Exactly. We call this rush hour, the busiest time in traffic.
Rush hour. I hate rush hour. My bus is always full.
I understand. Rush hour is difficult for everyone. Now, some people try to avoid traffic.
How?
Some people carpool. They share a car with friends or coworkers.
Carpool. That's smart. One car instead of 3 or 4.
Exactly. Or some people work remotely from home.
Work remotely. No traffic at all.
Perfect solution. Now, let's practice. How do you go to work? What do you use in rush hour?
I use the bus for public transport. In rush hour, I am stuck in heavy traffic on the road.
Perfect sentence. You're using all the words.
David, driving in traffic makes me angry. How do I say this in English?
Good question. When you're angry because of traffic, you're frustrated or annoyed.
Frustrated, annoyed. Yes, I feel frustrated in heavy traffic.
I understand. Traffic also makes us stressed.
Stressed. I feel frustrated and stressed because of heavy traffic.
Perfect. And you know what else? Traffic makes us waste time.
Waste time. Time is important.
Yes, when you sit in traffic, you waste time. You can't work, you can't be with family.
Yes, I waste so much time in traffic.
I know. But Olivia, not all traffic is bad. Sometimes we have smooth traffic.
Smooth traffic? What's that?
When there are no cars and you can drive fast, we say smooth traffic or a clear road.
Oh, a clear road. That's wonderful. I love smooth traffic.
Me too. Everyone loves smooth traffic. Now, cities try to fix traffic problems.
How?
They build more roads or they encourage public transport.
Build more roads? Encourage public transport? I hope it helps.
Me too. Now, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, so many new words.
So, we learned heavy traffic when there are many cars.
Traffic jam, when cars stop completely.
Public transport, bus, subway, train.
Rush hour, the busiest time.
Frustrated, angry because of traffic.
And smooth traffic, easy, fast driving.
Perfect. You learned so much.
Thank you, David. Now I can talk about traffic in English.
Excellent. Now, everyone, we have homework for you.
Tell us, what is the traffic like in your city? How do you go to work or school?
Write in the comments in English.
For example, in my city, there is heavy traffic. I use the subway.
We want to read about your city.
And please, subscribe to Daily Talking
Click that subscribe button.
and like this video.
Thank you for talking about traffic with us today.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay in smooth traffic.